Hello, hola, bonjour. How are you guys doing? I'm doing good. Okay, so I have finally got my half of the room in my Coolworks slash Yosemite slash I don't know, my dorm. It looks like a dorm, but I gave out the tour earlier. But I finished my side of the room, and I just want to show you guys what it looks like, where I got things from. So let's get started. So my half of the room is right near the entrance of the door. On this side is my roommate's portion. Don't want to show you that, but just want to give you a little overview of what I'm working with. Okay. So literally all of this, everything from the canvases, the mini canvases, the gold ribbing around them. This is, I guess, a throw, hot pink throw with some tassel at the end. Decorative pillow, regular pillow, standard, king size pillow. This is a twin size bed, just in case you want to see the dimensions compared to the pillows. These are some wallpaper stickers, I guess. I don't know what you call them, but they're basically the peel and stick. And then I wrapped them with some, what's that stuff called? The tape. It's like gold tape. If y'all know what I'm talking about, please let me know. I forgot what it's called. It's a tape something. But, you know, here's how I decorated. I got the little jungle thing going on. Some black girl magic over here. You know, pops of color. But yeah, all of this, like I said, everything. This is a comforter on top of, or the duvet on top of the comforter. The sheets, all this is from Amazon. If you want any direct links, just let me know. So yeah, it's just a little look-see of how I decorated. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Let me know how you like it. Again, if you have any questions of wearing anything specific, any links, let me know. I will let you know. Okay, thanks. Bye-bye.